Every time you ask AI a question, or generate an image, or watch a video online, thousands of powerful servers wake up in milliseconds. But have you ever wondered, where are these AI servers actually made? Today, we're taking you inside one of the most advanced manufacturing processes on Earth. It all starts with one of the most common materials on the planet: silicon. Highly purified silicon is melted, shaped into giant crystal ingots, and sliced into ultra-thin wafers. These wafers become the foundation of billions of microscopic transistors. Using ultraviolet light and atomic-level precision, intricate circuits are etched onto every chip. This is where the brain of AI is born. After multiple fabrication stages, each processor is carefully inspected. Only chips that meet the highest standards move forward. Robotic systems then mount these AI processors onto enterprise-grade server motherboards with incredible precision. Every movement is measured in fractions of a millimeter. Even the smallest defect can affect performance. Next comes the assembly line. High-speed machines install memory modules, ultra-fast SSD storage, network controllers, and multiple AI GPUs into each server. Advanced cooling systems, copper heat sinks, thermal paste, and high-performance fans are added to keep temperatures under control. Finally, every cable is perfectly routed to maximize airflow and reliability. What looks like an ordinary metal box is actually one of the world's most powerful computing machines. Before entering a data center, every AI server faces intense testing. Processors run at full capacity, memory is stressed, storage is verified, thermal cameras scan for overheating, AI-powered inspection systems search for even the smallest imperfections. Only after passing hundreds of quality checks does a server earn approval. Now the servers arrive at massive hyperscale data centers. Robotic systems install them into towering racks. Thousands of fiber optic cables connect every machine together.
Before a single AI prompt is processed.
Liquid cooling systems circulate continuously, keeping thousands of processors running day and night. From the outside, it looks like an ordinary building. Inside, it's one of the most powerful brains humanity has ever created. These servers process billions of AI requests every single day. They power chatbots, search engines, video streaming, scientific research, self-driving technology, medical discoveries, and cloud computing across the globe. Every click, every search, every AI conversation travels through these incredible machines. So the next time AI answers your question, remember, behind every response is an extraordinary engineering masterpiece, built with microscopic precision and powered by some of the most advanced factories ever created. If this factory amazed you, wait until you see how AI chips, satellites, and supercomputers are actually built. Subscribe now, you won't want to miss the next factory tour. And comment next if you want another behind-the-scenes manufacturing documentary.